Hey everyone, the upcoming 9-inch OLED gaming tablet from RedMagic, a brand under Nubia, is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact tablets of the year, especially for gaming enthusiasts. Early leaks, particularly from reliable tipster Digital Chat Station, have given us a glimpse into what could be a performance powerhouse in a surprisingly portable form factor. At the heart of this new device is Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This places the tablet among the most powerful in its class, offering flagship-level performance typically reserved for top-tier smartphones and larger tablets. To further support its gaming ambitions, RedMagic is setting this tablet apart with an integrated active cooling system, specifically a built-in fan. This is a rare inclusion for a tablet of this size, as most compact tablets rely solely on passive heat dissipation. The presence of active cooling is a strong indicator that RedMagic is serious about ensuring sustained peak performance during extended gaming sessions, without throttling or overheating. Display quality also appears to be a priority. The tablet features a vibrant 9-inch OLED screen with a sharp resolution of 2,400 by 1,504 pixels. OLED technology means users can expect rich colors, deep blacks, and high contrast, which are all crucial for immersive gaming and media consumption. The slightly unusual resolution suggests a unique aspect ratio, potentially optimized for gaming or multimedia experiences. Battery life is another major selling point. Digital Chat Station has teased that this tablet will include the largest battery ever seen in a compact tablet, with a capacity starting with an 8, implying it's over 8,000 mAh. This massive battery, combined with the energy-efficient OLED panel and powerful processor, could translate into excellent endurance even during intensive gaming or multitasking. Another interesting point raised by Digital Chat Station relates to the growing trend of mobile devices featuring integrated cooling fans. He mentioned that more phones with built-in fans and water resistance could be expected by the end of the year, hinting at a broader industry shift toward prioritizing thermals in mobile gaming gear. Some premium smartphones, according to the tipster, are already implementing this technology. RedMagic had previously teased this tablet, promising that it would meet high customer expectations. While we await a full official reveal, it's clear the company is positioning this product to compete directly with other major players like Lenovo Legion, Redmi, and Huawei, all of whom are expected to launch similarly spec'd compact tablets in 2025. Pricing details remain unconfirmed, but industry speculation suggests the tablet could be priced between $485 to $555. This would place it in the premium tier of compact tablets, aligning it with the pricing of the RedMagic Gaming Tablet Pro. Given the newer model's smaller size but inclusion of high-end features like active cooling and an OLED display, it's plausible that the price will stay within this range. Overall, RedMagic's forthcoming 9-inch OLED tablet appears to be a compact yet formidable device aimed squarely at serious gamers and tech enthusiasts. With bleeding-edge hardware, smart thermal engineering, and a vibrant display, it could easily become the gold standard for high-performance small tablets in 2025. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.